rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, inshallah, we'll go over the lesson number 10 of our book number 4. Alhamdulillah, this is the very last lesson of this book, and inshallah, after this, we'll start from the book number 5. However, I do think that for the next lesson, we'll do a quick revision just for this entire book. And instead of doing the revision, we will use some conjugation exercises. We'll give some words as a part of this lesson at the end of this lesson. And then next week when we do our session, inshallah, we'll just give some words, and based on those words, we'll try to make some sentences out of those Arabic words. So inshallah, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. Here you go. This is our lesson number 10. Darsul Ashir. As usual, in the beginning, some of the mufradat. There are two only qawaid that we'll actually learn in this lesson. The very first one, that when we talked about the dual, when we talk about the dual of any of those words, we have learned in the book number 2 that the dual, when it is mansoob or majroor, and we looked at how the words will actually look like. So for example, when I say that I have 2 brothers, then the dual will be marfu, so li ikhwani. And when I say there are 2 large rooms in my house, I'll say fi bayti ghurfatani kabiratani. And we also learned that the normal marfu ending is always u, right? In the end, it will be u. The mansoob ending is always a. And the majroor ending is e, right? So marfu, which is the normal way, always ends with an u. Mansoob will end with the a, the ending sound will be a, and the majroor will be, and the ending sound will be e. For example, ayn al-mudarrisu, where is the teacher? The mudarrisu is ending with an u, so this is your marfu. And sa'altul mudarrisa, this is the mansoob. So I'm saying I asked the teacher, and then qultu lil mudarrisi, right? Because we have the lam over here. So lil mudarrisi, there is a relation over here. So I'm saying I said to the teacher. It's going to end with an e sound. However, the dual has different case endings, and then the marfu ending in the dual is ani, and the mansoob and the majroor ending is aini. So hadani or riyalani, these are 2 riyals. Uridu riyalaini, I have 2 riyals. Ishtaraytuhu bi riyalaini, I bought it for 2 riyals. And a couple of other examples that you see over there. We're going to mention this in the rest of the book as well. Now, 2 differences. When we say ahaduhuma, it means one of them, and wal akhar, it means the other. However, the feminine of that will be ihdahuma. So ahaduma is for the masculine, and ihdahuma is for feminine, which actually means one of them. And wal akhar means and the other. And in feminine, the same word wal akhar will actually be wal ukhra. Li ukhtani ihdahuma mudarrasatun wal ukhra mubarrida. I have 2 sisters. One of them is a teacher, and the other one is a nurse. So these are very simple rules that we actually are going to go through, inshallah, today in today's lesson. Starting from today, we'll start with the exercise, the translation exercise. And today we'll start with Sister Kiran and Sister Naila. And if you can do the complete translation exercise. So Sister Kiran, you'll be student number 1, and Sister Naila, you'll be student number 2.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam suratum hafizta ya Bashir. How many surahs did you memorize, O Bashir?
Bashir, hafiztu suratun wahida. I memorized 1 surah.
Wa kam suratum In fact, Arab is not clear in my screen.
Suratan.
What comes Suratan?
Yep.
Hafizta ya Umar? And how many surah did you memorize, O Umar?
Umar, Ana Hafiztu Surataini. I memorized 2 surah.
Very good.
Ya abati ja'al yawma mudarrisani jadidani ahduhuma lil fiqh wal akharu lil hadith. Ya abati mean, oh father.
Correct.
Uh, today 2 teachers came to school. One of them is for fiqh and the other is for hadith.
Very good.
Ya abati, oh my dad, qara'atul yawma kalimataini jadidataini fi hadhal kitab. Oh my dad, I read 2 new sentences today in this book.
Words. Kalimatain, 2
Or
words.
words, 2 new words in this book.
Mahuma, what are they?
Huma al-mushtu al-mukhaddatu. Al-mukhaddah. Those 2 are al-mushtu I don't know the meaning of those.
Comb. Comb and the pillow.
Al-mushtu comb and al-mukhaddah a pillow.
Very good. So let's continue, inshallah. Here's the translation for all of this that you just did. Let's continue, inshallah.
Okay. It's my
Arafta, I
sorry.
think it's my turn.
Yeah, sorry.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Arafta ma'nahuma, did you know their meaning?
Bashir, نعم, yes. سألت المدرسة. I asked the teacher فشرح لي معناهما, and he explained the meaning of two, I guess,
To me.
both meanings, two meanings. Okay, yeah. He explained the 2 meanings to me,
And
or
he explained the meaning to me. That's all.
he explained the meanings to me. Yes.
أنا الآن أذهب إلى السوق أتريدون شيئا? I am going to market now. Do you want something?
Omar Uridu Daftara. I want a notebook.
عندي دفتران وأريد دفترين آخرين. I have 2 notebooks and I want 2 other notebooks.
Bashir Indi Milafani Sagirani wa Uridu Milafaini Kabiraini. I have 2 small folders and I want 2 big folders.
Very good.
من أين لك هذا القلم الجميل ذي اللونين يا بشير? From where do you have this beautiful pen with 2 colors? Oh, Bashir, I think so.
With the
Zul
colors.
Launaini.
With the colors, yes.
Bashir Ishtaraytuhu. I will buy. No.
You're right. Keep going.
Become
I will buy it for you, but
No,
it
I
doesn't.
bought it.
I bought it. I bought it. Okay.
اشتريته. How much did you buy it?
اشتريته بريالين. I bought it for 2 riyal.
Very good. Here's the translation for all of this. And this is where the entire translation exercise ends. We both did very good, mashallah. All right. So the next one, this one is for, based on the conversation that the father and then the sons actually had, these are the questions that we have. And we'll have Sister Azumi, this is for you. First, only translate these sentences. Only translate these sentences, and on afterwards answer the questions. Sister Azumi, this is for you. Okay. So we'll actually go to Brother Abdullah Said. Brother Abdullah Said, this is for you. If you can translate these sentences.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam suratan hafiz Yasir.
Please, Ustaz, I'm around.
How
It's
many
okay.
surahs
We'll do it later.
Yasir? How many surahs has Yasir memorized?
Bashir. Where is Yasir?
Oh, Bashir. No. Kam suratan hafiz Umar. How many surahs has
Hafiza.
Hafiza? Oh, Hafiza. Kam suratan hafiza Umar. How many surahs has Umar memorized? بكم اشترى بشير قلما. How much did Bashir buy his pen?
Very good. All right. So here's the translation for all of the questions that you just did. And now you have to answer this question. So I'll tell you the answer. So the very first one, Bashir actually memorized one surah. So you have to translate that. Bashir memorized one surah.
Okay. So Hafiz Bashirun.
Hafiza.
حفظ بشير أحد واحدة سورة أو
Surah
حفظ بشير سورة واحدة.
Wahida. Because it's a
واحدة. Okay.
Surah would be feminine. Okay. And now the second one is Kam Surat and Hafiza Umar. So Umar memorized. You can just simply say he memorized two surahs. That's all you have to say. He memorized two surahs.
حافظ سورتين.
Surah 10. Excellent work. Now the last one is become Ishtara Bashir and Qalama. He bought the pens for 2 riyals.
اشترى قلم ريالين.
Riyalain.
ريالين.
That's okay. Ishtara al-Qalama Riyalain. And here's the answer for everything you just did. Now, I'm going to ask you the same question one more time. Look at these and now translate these word by word. Exactly what you just did right now. This is nothing different. You just have to look at this and then translate this.
Okay. So حافظ سورة حافظ سورة واحدة.
Very good.
حافظ سورتين.
Very good.
اشترى بريالين.
Yeah, اشترى القلم بريال.
اشترى كلمة. Okay. اشترى كلمة بريالين.
Excellent work. Here's the translation for all of these. All right. So, Sister Azumi, can you unmute again?
Okay.
I'm
around.
Okay, good. All you have to do here, you have to translate these sentences. That's all. Now, for everybody else, pay attention and you can see the difference between the ending sound when it is marfu, when it is mansoob, when it is majroor, right? So you can see what happens when we have the ending sound, how the ending sound will be. And Sister Azumi, all you have to do here is you have to translate these sentences. So Ja'al mudarrisu.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ja al-Mudarrisu. The teacher came. Ra'aytu Mudarrisa. I saw the teacher. Zahabtu ila Mudarrisi. I'm going to the teacher. Ja al-mudarrisan. Two teachers came. Ra'aytu mudarrisain. I saw two teachers. Zahabtu ila mudarrisain. I'm going to the two teachers.
Okay, very good. Now, one question for Sir Azumi for you.
Yes.
When the very first word that you see, ja'a, the very first word, ja'a, tell me one surah in Quran where this word is used. It's very famous.
Uh,
It's a very short
that,
surah.
and
No, it's from the last 6 surahs. It is from the last
last
surah. It starts with this word, in fact. Iza ja,
Iza ja'a nasrullah.
ya Nasrullahi wal fath. So, what is the meaning of ja'a?
Came.
Came. Very good. So, when you have to translate Iza ja'a Nasrullahi wal fath, what does that mean?
Iza ja'a nasrullah. When they came, the Nasra, Nasra,
The
was
help, help.
help. Okay, help of Allah.
When the help and the victory,
The help and what?
Iza ja'a
Ja'a
Nasrullahi wal fath, right? Fath means the victory. So,
victory, Fatih.
so translate the whole sentence now.
Iza ja'a nasrullah. But when they came, the victory of Allah and the victory, oh, I'm confused.
Help.
The help of Allah and the victory.
Yeah, when the help of Allah and the victory will come.
Oh, will
Ja'a
come.
was there.
Okay.
It will mean it will come. So I'm going to start
Okay.
adding some of these words, as part of the overall lesson, that you can see how some different words are used in Quran. Okay. So
Okay.
here's the translation for everything that you just did. Your translation was perfectly fine. Everything was perfectly okay.
Thank you.
So the next exercise, this is for Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama. Osama, this is for you. First, you just have to translate these sentences, and then you will answer the questions into dual afterwards. First, let's translate only.
أخا لك. How many brothers do you have? كم كتابا عندك? How many books do you have? كم طالبا جديدا جاء اليوم? How many new students came today? كم درسا بقي في الكتاب? How many lessons are remaining in this book? كم طالبا خرج من الفصل? How many students left the class? كم رجلا مات في الحادث? How many men مات?
Died.
How many men died in the accident?
Very good. And
كم
here,
أخا لك?
ek.
How
So you have to just say that I have 2 big brothers.
لي إخوتان.
Akhwan.
لي إخواني. إخوتاني sisters. لي إخواني.
Ikhwan kabiran. I have 2 big brothers.
Oh, big brothers.
So your next one, you can just say I have 2 books.
لي
Hindi.
عندي كتابان.
Kitaban. Very good. The next one is Kam Taliban.
How many new students came?
So 2 new students came today.
2 new students came today. طالبان جديدان جاء اليوم.
Yes, but the construction will be Ja al Yoma Talibani.
جاء اليوم طالبان جديدان.
Very good. Okay, the next one come Darsan Baqiya fil Kitabi. So you can say, you can just say 2 lessons.
درسان بقي في الكتاب.
Construction is again You have to say
في الكتاب بقي درسان.
بقي في الكتاب الدرسان.
درسان, okay.
And the next one is 2 students left the class.
خرج من الفصل طالبان.
Very good. Very dangerous word. Next one. 2 men.
مات في الحادث رجلان.
Rajulan. Very good. Excellent work. Here's the answer for all of this. Somebody, now you have to do this.
Yeah. I
Translate.
have 2 elder brothers. لي إخواني كبيران.
Very good.
I have 2 books. عندي كتابان.
Very good.
Today 2 new students came. جاء يوم الأمس طالبان جديدان.
Why are you saying amsi?
I'm sorry?
But you said ams. So ams is
Oh, أمس is yesterday. جاء اليومي. Sorry.
اليوم طالبان جديدان.
Uh-huh.
Next one, 2 lessons remain in the book.
بقي في الكتاب درسان.
That's on. Very good.
2 students went out of the classroom. خرج من الفصل طالبان.
Very good.
مات في الحادث رجلان.
Very good. Excellent work. And here's the translation for all of these. And did you notice anything today? Anybody is noticing anything in the translation of when I'm writing something in Arabic? Anything different from before?
There are no
There is no
كسرة ما
Arab.
فتحs. Yeah, no Arabs.
So you'll start noticing this. I'll start removing the Arab because you're able to now do this on your own. Without even me telling you, you're able to do this. And by the way, it makes my life much more easier because it's a real pain to be able to add these Arab, on the keyboard. Okay.
So can we also do our homework in no Arab because that's the limitation why we write it on paper.
Say that one more time, Brother Abdullah. I didn't get it.
I said, can we present our homework without the vowels too?
Sure.
Because that is why we write it on paper.
Sure. Why not?
Okay. No.
As long as you're able to
Thank you.
pronounce it correctly, it's okay, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. The next exercise. Now, same thing, exact same thing, but I'm going to give you the answer afterwards. First, we have to translate these sentences, these questions, and this will be done by Sister Hira. Are you able to talk?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So let's only translate the sentences first. That's all, these questions first.
Okay. Kam lugatu tarifu. How many languages do you know? Am I right?
Yeah, very good. Absolutely.
Okay. Kam suratun hafisti ya Maryam. How many surah memorized you, ya Maryam? You memorized ya Maryam. Kam risalatan katabta ya Ahmad. How many you write ya Ahmad? Risala?
Letters.
Letters. Okay. Kam hayyatan qatalta ya amma. Qatalta means murder. How many hayya dies? Yeah. What does that mean? Okay. How many snake? Hayya snakes?
Very good. Yes.
Okay. How many snake qatalta? Did you murder or killed ya uncle or my uncle or paternal uncle?
Yep.
Okay. Kam daftaran ishtarayta ya akhi. How many notebooks did you buy, oh my brother?
Very good.
Kam sualan sa'alakal mudarrisu. How many questions? Sa'alakal mudarrisu. How many questions asked from the teacher to you?
No, how
From
many
you?
did the teacher asked you?
Okay. How many questions did the teacher ask you? Okay.
Mhm.
Kam tairatun ra'aita fil matari. How many aeroplanes did you see at the airport, in the airport?
Very good.
كم منديلا غسلت أختك? How many handkerchiefs washed by your your sister?
Very good.
كم مشتن تريد? مشتن is a new word. تريد مشتن was comb or pillow?
Comms.
Comb. Okay. How many comb? Nee, do you saw comb? Do you saw a comb?
No. So that will be how
Did
many
did
comms
you
do you want?
what? Turidu, yes, turidu, I want. You want. Kam mushtan turidu. Do you want? How many combs do you want?
Yes, that is correct.
Is that so? Okay. Kam meqadatan ala saririk. Meqadati, I think it would be pillows. How many pillows are on your bed?
Excellent work. Here's the translation for everything. Now you have to answer these questions. So the first one, they say, how many languages do you know? You can say, I know 2 languages.
Arifu lugatani.
Logatain. Very good.
Oh, sorry, lugatain.
It's okay. I mean,
Okay.
it's very confusing. I know that because, for the dual, sometimes it's Logatain, sometimes it will be Logatan. So that will be difficult, which is okay. Second one is, how many surahs did you memorize? You can say, I memorized 2 surahs.
Yeah, but question was asking from Maryam.
Yeah, that's
Maryam
okay.
memorized 2 surahs.
You can just say,
I memorized.
you can say she memorized 2 surahs.
She memorized. She hafizat. Memorized. Hafizatani.
Hafizat,
Isnani.
Hifazat, Suratain.
Hafizat suratain. Okay.
Very good.
No on with hafizat. No on with verb.
That is correct.
Okay.
And next one is, how many letters did you write? Oh, Ahmad. So now you can respond like you are Ahmad in a way.
Okay.
That you are Ahmad. So you can say, I wrote 2 letters.
Uktub risalatani or risalatain.
Okay. What if you have to say he wrote 2 letters?
Uktub. No, uktub is I wrote.
Yeah. What if he wrote?
He wrote kataba.
Katabtu. Katabtu risalatain.
Okay. Katabtu. Okay. No, katabtu. Yes. Yes. Katabtu.
And by the way,
Katabat for feminine and katabtu. Okay. Oh, anta, anti. Like this. Anta for katabtu.
one quick
Okay.
second, I have a mistake here on this slide. I just noticed it.
Jo dalo, grab it.
Uh, okay, how many snakes? For some reason, I had very different translation for one sentence. Good thing nobody noticed. I'm gonna make this again. 1 second, sorry. Where did it go? I'm trying to do something so I can see this clearly. I'm doing it. Anyways. All right, so next one. How many snakes did you kill, uncle? You can just say in a way that you are saying it, that I killed 2 snakes.
Can you share the screen with?
Oh. Where is it? Where is it? Why is this not coming up? There you go. So you can say, I killed 2 snakes.
I killed 2 snakes. Aqaltu hayyatani or hayyataini.
Hayatain. Very good. Next one is, how many notebooks did you buy? Same thing, two notebooks.
to answer in I or
You can just say 2 notebooks.
2 notebooks? Daftarani,
No.
Daftaraini or Daftarani,
Daftarain, very good. And the next one is how many questions?
Sualain,
Sualain, yes.
Tairatain or Tairatani,
Tairatain.
Tairatain,
And the next one is
Mindilani. I think Mindilani would
No,
be
it will be
correct.
Mindilain.
Okay.
And
Mushtain or Muqtatain,
yes, that is correct. Next one. Mukhaddatain.
Mikhtatain.
Yeah, Mukhaddatain.
I have a question, two questions, Bilal bhai here.
Yeah.
The first one is like when she translated he wrote. So
Mm-hmm.
you said that for he it would be katabat or katabat, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't that be kataba? Because like according to conjugations, zahaba, kataba, he wrote.
But she's saying that he did it, right? So he's talking about it in the past. Depending on the how you, if you're doing it in the present tense, the word will be different, somebody. And then if you're doing it in the uh, uh, past tense, the word will be different. I'll give you the example. So if you look at this, likely part of your exercise today. So if you look at over here, so katabtu is talking about himself. And when you're talking about that he did it, so you can say kataba. And then if you're saying that he's saying it in the present tense, then you'll say yaktubu. If you're saying it in the future, you'll say sayaktubu.
But for past, it would be kataba, right?
It will be kataba. Yes, it is. Yes.
Yes. I got confused because I think it should be kataba.
But depending on how you're
But
saying the sentences, right? So she said katabta, right? So when he's saying katabta, that he, that you, that person, you, because he was responding in the for the different person. She was not responding for her own self. So that's why she was saying katabta. Or when she was saying for her, somebody was a woman, she was saying katabti. But you have to
But
say
I always confuse between the if the sentence is ghaib, wahid ghaib, or mutakallim, hazir. Uh, it's confusing.
I'll make it easy for you because this is your exercise for this week.
Inshallah.
When you'll do the
Okay.
exercise, it will become much more easier. The next lesson that we have, that entire lesson will be based on this entire exercise that you will do this week, and it will make it much more easier. The reason is that we don't make the sentences on a day-to-day basis. When we don't make the
Yes.
sentences, it's difficult to remember all of these words because you sometimes will say kataba and then you'll be like, why is he saying katabta? Just like Usama bhai asked right now, because she was saying it, Usama bhai, at that time for that situation where she was responding on somebody else's behalf. The question was for somebody else, and she was trying to respond on their behalf. So that's why she was using the word katabta. But when you'll use these words on a day-to-day basis, which hopefully we will do this week as part of the exercise, it will be much more easier.
As you are sending the homework from English to Arabic, it is now much more easy, or it's improving my Arabic.
Yeah,
From
it will.
yes.
By the time you'll get to book number 8, you will be very good. So this is my inshallah guarantee to all of you. Okay.
And the second question was, Bilal bhai, how do we differentiate when do we have to use realani and when do we have to use realaini? I mean, like, how do we differentiate at what time in the dual? Because I was trying to make a pattern based on masculine and feminine,
I think
but
from
I don't.
practice.
No, it's not
No, I
practice.
mean, there's a
Oh,
rule.
no.
No, there is a rule. Anybody knows the rule? It's very easy, by the way. Very simple.
Yeah,
File, Fala, Falain type rules.
No. Anybody
it's
else?
whenever it's the sentence we're making for mansoob, it will be aini, and for majroor aini.
Say it one more time.
Mansoob and majroor. If we're making sentence in the form of nasab and jar, then we will use the aini sound.
And when do we use the ani sound?
It's for marfu.
Marfu only.
Yes.
Only for marfu. So when it is the regular pronunciation of the word, then you will use the ani. And when you're using the mansoob or you're using it for majroor, at that time you'll say ani. That's the only difference.
Mansoob and majroor. We will see in verb or in the noun. We will check.
The
Will
noun,
we check
the
from
noun
noun or from?
for the verb, you will use it for the verb, you'll use it because the noun itself will be the word itself. Because for example, rialain or rialan, that becomes the noun by itself. The verb is what you will be checking. Because the noun itself is the kalima or the word itself.
But in the previous slide, you said Ainal Mudarrisu. You said if there is a Mudarrisu, it is marfu because there is two sound ending in Al Mudarrisu. And you said Sa'altu Mudarrisa. You said because there is a fatha on Sa, that's why it is mansub. But there
No,
is
no.
Dhamma on Sa'altu. However, Mudarrisa is noun and Sa'altu is verb. But why?
But that was not the dual. That was a singular sentence.
Okay, okay.
So you're not using. There was no dual sentence over there at all. All of those
I
were.
think it would be clear from next slides. Hope so.
I don't think this is covered in this lesson. We will
Okay.
see. I think it is not covered in this lesson. Though there is more of the dual discussion in the entire lesson. What you will see the entire lesson will be all the words that are in dual and how the dual words are used. That's all you will see in this lesson. But if you convert the singular into dual, I don't know if that will be in this lesson or not. I don't think so. That's in this lesson. However, the easy answer to Samabai is when you're actually using it for majroor and mansoob. At that time, you will actually use it the rialain, aini sound, and when you're using it for marfu, which is the regular pronunciation of the word, then you will actually use the word rialan or kitaban or whichever other noun you have.
For marfu, we will use rialan, and for majroor
and mansoob, you will use the
rialain.
aini sound, aini.
Okay.
There is one more rule which I'm not going to mention right now. It is basically the past tense versus the present tense. The words can change as well, but I'm not going to confuse you on that. One more second. Okay. Now let's do it this way. Let's try to translate these sentences, Sister Hira.
Okay. Into Arabic. I know two languages. Arifu, لغتين, arifu. It's marfu, so we will use لغتان.
No.
Yes, what?
It will be lughatain.
But you said.
Keep going. Do the translation.
Because I am writing notes on my register. So, okay. Arifu.
Every single word over here will be aini sound.
Aini, okay. Arifu lugatain. I memorized two surah. Ahafiztu suratain. I wrote two letters. Aktubu. Yes, Aktubu risalatain. I said two pieces of advice. I said Qala. Aqaltu pieces of advice. I don't know the pieces of advice. Hikmatain. Akaltu hikmatain. I bought two notebooks. Ishtaraitu daftarain. The teacher asked me two questions. Teacher or I? Change into I.
No, the teacher asked me 2 questions.
سألت مدرس questions سوالين
سؤالين.
سوالين.
Yeah.
I saw 2 aeroplanes. I saw
رأيت.
رأيت or أريت.
رأيت. رأيت means that you were saying.
Saw means past. Yes. Saw is past, so we will not use in the beginning. رأيت wait a minute. رأيت طائرتين في المطار.
That's okay, but the correct construction will be رأيت في المطار طائرتين.
في المطار طائرتين.
My sister washed.
My sister washed 2 handkerchiefs. My sister. أختي washed غسلت. أختي غسلت منديلين.
Okay. Construction will be غسلت أختي منديلين.
غسلت أختي منديلين. Okay. I want 2 combs. I want أريد combs مشتعين. No?
That's okay, yes.
Okay, next. There are 2 pillows on my bed. 2 pillows. There are 2 pillows on my bed. Mahdatain. Wait.
على السرير.
على سرير on my bed. على سريري. What is this? Mahdatain.
Yes. That's okay. Let me make one quick correction here. Somewhere I will make a slide for that, what you just asked. While other people are doing it, I'll try to do it during that time. So I'm just making one quick correction. Here's the translation for all of these. Is the one? Yes. Here's the translation for all of these. The next exercise is very similar, exact same exercise, no difference whatsoever. However, the sentences will be longer. Same exercise, however, the sentences are longer now. Who can do this? Sister, actually no, brother Umar and DI, this is for you. Translate these sentences first. Translate number 1 to 5 is for you. And then Abdurrahman, you can do number 6 to 10. Just translate these sentences first. And Sabi, just to clarify what you're asking for, you're looking for the dual for Marfu, Majroor and Mansoob. Is that what you're asking?
Yep.
Okay.
Example in a single slide just to like differentiate, like what's the difference?
I don't have it right now, but I'll make a slide. No worries.
Sounds good, no issues.
So, brother Umar and DS, number 1 to 5 is for you.
Become real Israitil Majala ya Amina. How many reals did you buy the magazines for, Amina? Become dolara اشتريتم هذه الأزرار يا إخوان. With how many dollars did you buy? Did you guys buy this as well?
This is a color, by the way.
The color?
It's a color.
Oh, blue.
Blue color. Very good.
Or brothers. Become rubiyatan ishratunna hadal mushta ya akhawati. With how many reals did you buy this comb or sisters? Become junaiha ishtaraiti ishtarait hadal mir'atan ya ummi. Junaiha. With how many? Junaiha. I don't remember Junaiha.
So this is for a currency, by the way.
Yes.
This will be pounds. Pounds.
Pounds?
The British pounds.
Okay. With how many pounds did she buy this mirror? Mirror is mirror. No. Mirror. Mirata. I forgot Mirata. This Mirata. Is this mirror? Mirata.
Mirrors.
No.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. With how many British pound did you buy this mirror? My
Mother.
auntie. My mother. Ami. Ummi.
This is Ummi.
Ummi, okay.
Okay, last one.
Become lughata katabta unwana ala dharfi ya Ali. How many languages did you write katabat unwanu
Address. Oh, Ali.
Oh, Ali.
Very good. Abdurrahman, the 6 to number 10 is for you.
Okay. So min kam baban kharajat tullabu.
Abdurrahman, you have to put your mic just a little bit far away from you. Okay, it's too loud.
Oh, okay. Min kam baban kharajat tullabu minal kulliyah. From where did you go? Where did the student go? From the class.
So the translation will be, from how many doors did the students leave the college or the school?
So from how many doors did the students leave
from the college.
Correct.
إلى كم صيدلية ذهبت يا حامد? To how many what is صيدلية mean?
Pharmacy.
Farms?
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. To how many pharmacy did you take, oh Hamid?
So how many pharmacies? So how many pharmacies did you go, O Hamid?
You go to Hamid. In how many في كم صحيفة قرأت هذا الخبر? In how many صحيفة this in how many
Newspapers
newspapers is
did you read this news? In how many newspapers did you read this news?
and how many newspapers did you read this news?
Mhm.
How many merchandise become جامعة درست?
Mhm.
How many merchandise do you have?
No, where are you getting the merchandise from?
What does جامعة mean?
The university.
Oh, in how many universities did you study in?
Mhm.
And what's the last one? I can't see the last one.
Kam jamiyatin fi baladikum.
It's not letting me see the.
Okay, I'll mention it. Kam jamiyatan fi baladikum.
wait, okay. كم جامعة في بلدكم? In how many universities are you in?
No,
In how many universities have you been to?
that is correct. So how many universities are there in your country?
How many
Baladikum.
universities are there in the country?
So balad means the country and baladikum in your country. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next one is to give able to give the answers for these. So brother Umar and Di, start the translation from the top, and you have to go quick because we have to finish the class also quickly in next 30 minutes. So then translate these 5 sentences from 1 to 5 into Arabic. Brother Umar and Di, this is for you. Umar and Di, you're muted.
اشتريت المجلات بريالين
بريالين.
ريالين
اشتريت
ريالين
هذه المجلة بريالين. I bought
بريالين
this magazine for 2 riyals. اشتريت هذه المجلة بريالين.
اشتريت هذه المجلة بريالين.
Next one.
We bought these buttons for $2. اشتريت مرة بدولارين دولارين. We bought this comb for 2 rupees. Oh, we نشتري. No. اشترينا اشترينا هذه المشت بربعين.
Be Beirut Beirut. Yeah, that's fine.
This woman bought it for £2. هذه المرأة
اشتريت هذه
اشتريت
مرة بجنيه
مرتين
بجنيهين.
بجنيهين.
Mhm.
I wrote the address on the envelope in 2 languages. كتبت
كتبت العنوان
كتبت العنوان
على الظرف
على الظرف
بلغتين.
بلغتين.
Keep going.
The students went out from 2 doors. ذهبوا طلاب من بابين. I went to 2 pharmacies. ذهبت
إلى صيدلتين.
إلى صيدلتين.
Keep going.
أقرأ I read it into newspaper. أقرأ
في
in في
صحيفتين.
صحيفتين. I studied at 2 universities. درست بجامعتين.
Last one.
In our country, Baladina, there are 2 universities. Baladina جامعتين.
في بلدنا.
في بلدنا in
Yeah,
عندنا
في بلدنا جامعتين.
في بلدنا جامعتين.
Okay. Let me make one quick correction. Here's the translation for all of these. All right, so this last exercise is simply to be able to make the dual of what you see in the red color. All you have to do this is make the dual of what you see in the red color. And I don't know, Sister Kiran, are you still available?
Yes.
Okay, so if you can do the line on your right hand side, so everything on the right hand side, just make the dual of that sentence. Actually, you know what? First, translate these sentences. Let's do number 1 to, you can do number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So you can do number 1 to 7 is for you. So until from fi baitina salajata until in the realun, if you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just translate these sentences only.
Okay. في بيتنا ثلاجة. في بيتنا. We have a refrigerator in our house.
Very good.
دخل بيت البارحة. بارحة Listen. Um, دخل بيتي. A thief entered into my house yesterday. I think so.
Last night.
Last night. Okay. رأيت في مكتب البريد برقية لك. I saw a telegram for you at the post office.
Very good. Excellent work.
سأشتري مترا من هذا القماش. I will سأشتري, so it will be I will buy a meter from this fabric.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
ذبح أبي دجاجة. My father slaughtered a chicken or a duckling or duck.
Mm-hmm.
أشرب كوبا من اللبن كل يوم. I drink a glass of milk every day. In
Very
the real, I have a real. Number 8.
uh,
Uridu real.
that's okay. That's okay. So
Sorry.
that's number 7 until for you, and then who?
Okay.
Sister Naila, if you can do number 8 to 14, just translate the sentences.
inshallah. أريد ريالا. I want 1 ريال. اشتريت هذا الزر بريالي. زرة sorry. اشتريت. I will buy I don't know the meaning of zira. I'm sorry.
The button.
Oh, I will buy this button with this riyal. أعرف I know 1 language. في بلدنا لغة واحدة. In our country or our city there is 1 language. هذا القلم $1. This pen is for $1, I guess. Yeah. Oh, $1. Yeah, dollar.
Mm-hmm.
كتبت رسالة إلى أبي. I am writing the letter for my dad, to my dad. يكفيني الآن جنيه. يكفيني now جنيه pound. يكفيني enough. No, I'm not sure يكفيني mean. Anna is now, Junior is pound, but I'm sorry, I don't know the Yafini mean.
So the word is actually enough. You're actually right. So 1 pound
Enough,
is
okay.
enough. 1 pound is enough for me.
1 pound is enough now.
Mm-hmm.
Or okay.
Here's the translation for all of these. And all you both have to do now, you already translated these sentences. Just tell me, based on what you see right now, there are mansoob. Actually, you know what? Let me make it easy for everybody. I'm going to show you how these sentences are made when it is majroor, marfu, and mansoob. So it will be easier. One quick second. Let me just quickly just put this in a slide so you can see it. Now, live making slide is very expensive. Amir, did you hear that part? Okay. I think I'm done. Hopefully this will help. Oh my God. Okay, not working. You just have to give me like 2 minutes. I just am trying to finish this slide so it's easier for everybody to understand. It's very clear that everybody's confused right now with this. I'm just trying to put this together so that it's easier for me to explain. I think I'm done. So marfu. So let me know if everybody can see this slide. I had to put this together very quickly. Somebody still here?
Yep, Bilal, I'm here.
Okay. So before we go to the next one, this is something, by the way, what you asked for. So if you see on your right-hand side, this is the sentence which is marfu, right? So al-waladu mujtahidun, and the boy is hardworking. Al-kitabu jadidun, the book is new. Easy sentences, right, everybody? Yes? We're looking for a response, guys.
Yes, yes.
Easy.
Okay. Because the word is marfu, you can see that the same sentence, al-waladu mujtahidun, the dual for that will be al-walidani Wildani mujtahidan, the two boys are hardworking. And then the same thing, al-kitabani jadidani, the two books are new. Same sentence, but because it is marfu, the sentence is marfu, the plural becomes like this. Same thing, but on the other hand, the mansoob and majroor, when you have the same word, ra'aytul walada, I saw the boy, akaltu tufaha, I ate the apple, then you can see that the sentence will be aini, the dual will be aini instead of ani. Only ani is for the marfu. So when you'll see the next slide where you will have the sentences where the noun actually is either marfu or majroor or mansoob. Based on that, you have to make sure that you're able to change the ani. You can use the ani or aini sound for the dual. Now I'm going to ask the question. Let's say, Swami, you tell me actually. How do you know the sentence is majroor, marfu, the one on the right hand side, which is the white side, the top part?
Formation of the sentence.
So how do you know this sentence actually is a marfu? The subject is marfu. How do you know?
Because it's the subjective form of the noun.
No, I know, but like, how do you know that this subject over here is marfu? What tells you that it is marfu, not majroor or mansoob?
Dama, waladu.
Al-waladu, very good. So because you're saying al-waladu, that's why you know that if you have to make the dual for this, you will actually say al-wildani mujtahidani. Okay. So because the subject is marfu, the word will not be wildaini, it will be wildani. How do you know in the next sentence over here, which is the object now? Now, how do you know that this one actually is the mansoob?
From the fatha.
From fatha of what?
Fatha or the objective form.
Which you see on the walada, because you see the walada actually has a fatha. Because it has a fatha, because of that, when you'll make the sentence into the dual, you'll say ra'aytul wildaini instead of wildani. right? Over here you saw Wildani. Because you saw that over here it is mansoob, you'll change this into Wildaini. Now go to the majroor. How do you know the last one is majroor? The subject of
Okay.
majroor. Savish, for you also.
Oh, so it is from the kasra
From the kasra that you see in the
in
this
on
the school, right? So the
yep.
for the madrasa, you'll saying it is
Hmm.
majroor, and same thing when you'll change the majroor into dual, you'll actually change it into mudarasatain instead of mudarasitan. Okay, so depending on what you see as a sentence, when you'll change that into the dual, it depends on the object or the subject or the doer, if it is actually marfu, majroor, or mansoob. So does this slide make it a little bit easier? I had to do this very quickly while they were doing the translation.
Yep, that
Okay.
sounds good.
Okay. So now next slide will be easier for everybody. Oh, what did I do? Already gave you the answers. Okay. Now what you have to do in this slide, let me just make it easier. 1 second, sorry. Actually, I was giving the answers in the same slide. Okay. So, Sister Kiran, from 1 to 7, you just have to tell me what the word will become, whether it will be ani or aini, and then you have to give me the word as well. Sister Kiran, are you still there? I think she left. She had to leave. Sister Naila, this is for you now. So you have to change the sentences. And just tell me the word, what the word will become over here.
It's Salajatun, so it's gonna be Salajani. Salajatani.
And why is that?
It's because of the Dhamma at the end is marfu.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, next one.
Next one is listen. It's also marfu, so we're gonna do lisani.
Lisani. Very good. Excellent work. And just for everybody to understand, tell me if you don't understand why she's saying lisani instead of lisaini. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Why did she say lisani instead of lisaini for the dual?
No doubts. No.
Anybody
So
has
the ending is marfu,
so why
Dhamma.
so why is she saying lisani? Abdullah said you tell me.
I said it is marfu the soon, the Dhamma.
Which one is marfu?
So this one.
But what is marfu in this entire sentence?
Dahala baiti barijatan listen. I thought the listen is a marfu there.
So this listen actually is itself actually right now is marfu.
Marfu, yeah.
Okay.
And therefore it becomes lisan.
Very good. Very good. All right. So next one, Sister Naila.
Yeah, it's Barkiyatan, so it's mansub, so we will do Barkiyataini.
Very good.
So I should be Mitraini. Mitran is meter, right? So 2 meters. The Jajatan, it's mansub again, so we will do the Jajataini. Kuban is mansub Kubaini. And Riyalun marfu, so we will go Riyalani.
Very good.
And Riyalan is this one is mansub, so we will go Riyalaini. Be next 9, number 9, it's Riyalin, Majroor, so be Riyalaini.
Very good.
Lugatan mansub, so we'll go Lugataini.
Excellent.
Lugatun marfu, so Lugatani. Dularin, Bidularaini. Majroor. Risalatan mansub, Risalataini. Junaihun, Junaihani. Is it Tun or Ahun? I can't tell. Hun, right?
So
Is it
when you make the dual, you'll say Junayhetan.
Junayhani?
Junayhetan.
So is time مربوطة time? Okay, Junay. Okay, Junaytani.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think this was the last one. I'm gonna have to quickly finish this. Oh, there's one more. There are actually quite a few exercises still left. We're gonna have to try to finish this today, okay, guys? So just please hang on with me. We already went through this. This exercise, we're simply trying to make the sentences into just making a sentence. That's all we're trying to do over here. So we can have, somebody, this is for you. If you can make the sentences for these, just look at the bottom and then make the sentence.
So it would be I have two books. Indi kitabani.
Very good.
I bought two books. اشتري كتاب كتاب
اشتريت.
اشتريت كتابان.
It will be كتابين.
كتابين. I asked two students. Ask would be
سألت.
سألت طالبين.
Very good.
Two students attended. Attend
حضر.
would be
حضر.
what?
حضر.
حضر طالبان.
Taliban. Very good. Here's translation for all of these. In this one, we simply have to translate these sentences, and Brother Abdullah said, this is all for you. Sister Azumi, next exercise will be you, so just be ready. Brother Abdullah said, this is for you. You have to just translate this, and only thing you have to notice over here, the ahaduhuma, the word ahaduhuma and wal akhar, these are the words that you have to notice over here. And remember, these are all masculine words, so that's why the word is ahadahuma, and then wal akhar. That's why you're saying these words, because these are all masculine words. The next slide you will see, it will be all feminine words. So ihdahuma word will be used, or ukhra will be used. So ukhra and ihdahuma is used for feminine, and then the ahadahuma and wal akharu is used for the masculine. So these words that you see over here, they're all masculine words. So Brother Abdullah said, go ahead.
لي أخوان, I have two brothers. أحدهما طبيب, one of them is a doctor. وآخر مهندس, and the other is an engineer. لهذه حافلة بابان. This bus has two doors. أحدهما دخول, one of them is for entering. وآخر لخروج, and the other is for exit. In the Kalamani, I have two pens. أحدهما أزرق, one is blue. وآخر أحمر, and the other is red. In the Mu'jaman, I have two dictionaries. أحدهما إنجليزي, one of them is in English. وآخر فرنسي, and the other is in French. لنا بيتان, in our بيتان, we have two houses. أحدهما في مدينة, one of them is in Medina. وآخر في قرية, and the other is in the village. اشتريت قميصين, I bought two shirts. أحدهما لآخر, one of them لآخر, one is لآخر, sorry. أحدهما لي وآخر أحدهما لي, one of them is mine, وآخر لأخي صغير, and the other is for my younger brother.
Excellent work. Here's a translation for all of these. I could see that you were, getting stuck on the last one.
Yeah.
Sister Azumi, this is last one is for you. Same exercise, but this is all, as you can see now, the word, one of them, and the other one is wal ukhra, and the other. This is all now for the feminine words. So, Sister Azumi, go ahead. She's still here. Actually, she's not even here. Okay. So we can have who's not done yet. Sister Hira, if you don't mind translating these sentences.
Okay. Li ukhtani, I have two sisters. One of them is a teacher and other one is a nurse. In the sayyaratani, I have two cars. One of them is red and other than is white. Fi qariyatina mudaristani, in our village there are two schools. One of them is secondary and the other one of them is متوسطة ثانية ثانية secondary متوسطة middle. كتبت اليوم رسالتين. Today I wrote a letter. I wrote two letters.
Two letters.
إحداهما yeah, two letters. One of them to my father and the other one to my friend. جاءت مدرستان جديدتان. جاءت I came to she.
So two new teachers came.
There are okay. There are two new teachers came. One of them للسيرة والأخرى للتفسير. Okay. One of them is for Sira and the other one is for Tafsir.
Very good. Excellent work. There is one more. Okay. We also have to just simply translate this. Somebody, this is for you if you can translate these sentences.
هذا القلم ذو ذو اللونين مفيد جدا. This pen has two colors.
This pen with two colors. Zul.
This pen with two colors is مفيد is very advantageous.
Very useful. Yeah.
Very useful. أي قميص غسلت يا أمي? Did you wash my shirt, oh mother?
Which shirt?
Oh yeah, which shirt? Oh mother, which shirt did you wash? Which shirt of mine did you wash? غسلت القميص ذا الجيبين. Wash the shirt with two pockets.
Very good.
المدير في تلك الغرفة ذات النافذتين المفتوحتين. The director is in the room which has two open windows.
Excellent work. Here's the translation for all of these. And I know I went a little bit fast in the end because we had to finish this and they were not too difficult. Exercise. So first you have to do the last quiz, which is the quiz number 10. I'm just about to finish this, and after, let's say, 10 minutes, you will have the quiz completed. So then you can go in and then complete that quiz. This is one exercise for you. The second one actually is a little bit longer. And the longer exercise is that you have to make simple sentences by using every single word that you see over here. So you can see that, so 14. So it's like more than 30 words for each, around 40 words that you will see on, at least one. So it'll be like around 120 sentences that you'll have to make. Simple sentences, very, very simple sentences. You'll have to write in English and you have to write in Arabic as well. And this is what we will revise in the next session. All we will do is you will actually just come up with a sentence, whatever you have written, and then you will actually just simply say that in English and in Arabic. And that's all we will do in the next session. We will not have the book number 5. We will only do these 3 that you see over here as you are making the sentences, that I wrote a book, I wrote a letter, I will write a letter, I will write a book, right? So whatever you want to see, I left the school, I went to the school, I want to go to the school, I want to drink water, I will want to drink the water, or he wants to drink water. Whatever you want to write, it is all up to you. All you have to do this is use a word from here and then make a sentence of what you would like to make the sentence of, and then continue that. And it's a long exercise, so you have to remember that you have like 6 days. So try to do at least one of them within a day, or maybe half of it at least in a day. That way you're able to complete this by next session. So when we meet next session, next Friday, when you will meet the next Saturday, that way you will actually make the sentences, and you'll just simply pronounce whatever you have written. You simply have to say that when you're on the session next Saturday. That's all the exercise will be. So one sentence for each of these words that you see, and there are a lot of sentences, so just keep that in mind. Make very simple sentences, but write a sentence for every single word that you see over here. Any questions from anybody?
These are conjugations.
They're all conjugation, yes. So, but you have to make a
So
simple of the words.
So we take each word and then we make a sentence out of it.
Yes, that's all. But there are a lot of words, so just keep that in mind, okay?
So, question, Bilal, when you say make sentences, would it be as simple as like he goes to school?
That's it. He goes to school,
Okay.
he goes to his room, he wants to drink
Office.
water, he goes to office, whatever. Simplest possible
So
sentence.
like he goes to school, he will go to school, right?
Yeah, he goes to school, he went to the school, he goes to the school, he will go
He
to
went
the
to school. Okay.
Right? Simple sentences like this, not large sentences. I want to drink water. I am drinking water. I will want to drink water. Right?
We are drinking water. Okay.
We are drinking water. We will drink water. And we did drink water. Whatever, how simple possible sentence, but use the word.
Bilal bhai, I have a question.
Ji.
We're only going to use those 3 words, right? Nothing else, like katabtu, uridu, and zahabtu.
Correct. These
and
are the
in the conjugation. Okay. So we're not going to do the translation as well, right? Just the Arabic in the sentence.
That's fine.
Do we have to do the translation too?
If you can write it, it's better for you. If you write the English translation also, that's better for you. In fact, I would recommend write the English first and then write the Arabic part afterwards. It will be much more easier for you to do it this way.
Okay, inshallah. Jazakallah.
For everybody, it's a long exercise, please. And remember, all of you, until you do this and repeat these words in front of me on next Saturday, we will not go to the exercise book number 5. So you have to do this before we move on to the book number 5. And of course, the quiz that you have, that quiz will be available in next 10 minutes. I was just about to finish this before I started this class. So in next 10 minutes, inshallah, the quiz will be available. I will upload the slides. I will upload the link to the quiz as well, and then you should be good to go. If you have any questions, of course, just send me via WhatsApp. If you have any questions, let me know. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.